Hey you guys, this is Jason from SoCal Accessories. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how simple it is to install these OEM style mirrors. The OEM ones should install the same exact way. These I bought some cheap ones on Amazon. They're I believe like $50 or $55. I was going to put the ones that have lights on there, but because I put the windshield, I didn't want to have to cut the windshield out for the bracket to fit for the other style mirrors. So I'm going to put these since they go to these OEM holes that are here. Super easy. You use an Allen on these. For this one, it's a size 4. And it literally just pokes right through. So you put 2 of them and you just tighten them. And that's it. I'll show you guys how they adjust. After we put those, you could see the thread already on the mirror. So you just put them, twist them. I would suggest to keep an eye on them the first few times you guys go out riding. A lot of the times, stuff like this, it doesn't come with lock washers. You might want to add Loctite. Depending on the vibration, sometimes the vibration, if it starts to vibrate a little bit too much while you're driving, they tend to kind of wobble themselves loose. So I'll post a review after I take it out a few times too on how they do. Hey guys, so the main complaint that I seen online for these mirrors was that supposedly you can't see anything with them. When I got it, it was facing like this. All you do to adjust it, literally just push it like that, and it adjusts. It feels like it's a spring most likely right there because it snaps back down, so you don't have to loosen that nut. And then after that, you just push the glass to adjust it wherever you need it to be pointing at. After you adjust it where you want it, you go ahead and peel that off. For the price, I think they're really good so far. Let's see how they hold up when I take it off-roading. I'll let you guys know. Hey guys, so my overall review of these mirrors is they seem to be great quality. They didn't break like a lot of the reviews said, where people said supposedly the glass just cracks by themselves. They probably didn't put it tight. It probably vibrated loose from the bolts and fell and broke, and they were just trying to get a replacement or something. About not being able to see where you actually need to see, they probably just didn't notice that you could adjust it from here, and probably just took it right out the box, bolted it up, didn't know about this adjustment, and just tried adjusting from the mirror area right here. But overall, it's a great product, especially for the price, man. You can't really beat it.